I welcome you all to this summer hobby camp. Children, first of all, I will explain about dance. Then we will go on to our practical. Everybody enjoy to dance. You have to do it like with so much interest every day. Then it will keep you energetic. It will keep you active, and it will take out all type of worriness from your mind also. First, you should know what is dance. If you want to express yourself through body movements, following some music, you have to follow some music. Then it will be part of dance. Understand? If you want to express your feelings through the body movement, through your body movement, and if you follow to music, it will be called as dance. So dance is three types. One is folk dance, classical dance, and modern dance. Today we are going to learn modern dance, following the Bollywood style of dancing. In modern dance, there are so many different style of dance, like hip hop, jazz, ballroom, salsa, okay, big boying, contemporary. So many style of modern dances are there. But today we are going to follow the hip hop and also Bollywood dance style. Understand? Children, Bollywood dance style means which dance it came from our cinema, our from Mumbai. Mostly it is from the originator place is from Mumbai. The style of that area or from Maharashtra, you can found this Bollywood dance style. So children, we are moving on. So we'll do the dance song of MS Dhoni. That song name is Padhoge Likhoge. MS Dhoni cinema song, and the song name is Padhoge Likhoge. First of all, I will tell you the steps. Later on, we will do with the music. All of you speak to me one by one. Good morning to everyone. Okay. So first, do Bhumi Pranam children. All of you stand up. Everyone stand up. You have to do Bhumi Pranam. Put the hand on the floor. Cover your eyes and face. Then Namaskar. Okay. Niranjan sir, I am audible clearly.
Yes, sir, you are audible, sir.
Okay. So the first step comes like holding your neck. Start. You are walking with style. One, two, three, and four. Okay. Then hold your bend like this. One, two, three, and four. Understand? Once again. Then 1, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then here 1, 2, move your bed. 2, 3, and 4. After that, left hand, take your left hand, do wave in that. 1 and 2, go to the right. Once again, 1 and 2, then 1, 2, 3, and 4. Once again, 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then opposite side, 1 and 2. Okay. Then 1, 2, 3, and 4. Understand? Everyone clear? Once again, from the beginning, move with style, with holding your color. Then hold your belt. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. Actually, if you do, it will be okay. See, this one only simple movement. You are doing stagnant, only wave and stand. Okay, break 1, 2, 3, 4, and telling it easy also. Only like this, you have to move your hand. 1, 2. Okay, with this 1, 2, 3, and 4. Once again, I'm showing you children. 3, go. 1, only walk with style, holding your neck shut. Then stand straight. With there, you move with your belt like this. Okay. Okay, then move your hand, go to the right. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then go to the left. Then 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. After that, so you are touching your hand, both the palms, like some palm there, like 1, 2. Then put it upon your stick, like this, 3 and 4. Once again, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Then 5, 6, 7, 8. Understand? Now, can you listen, children, clearly? Once again, I'm showing you. We go 1, 2, 3. Can you listen now? Children, can you listen now clearly? Niranjan sir, some of them are writing. Okay. Ready? Children, now see. All of you see the step and do. Don't follow the sound, like just see my step and do it. Okay, once again. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and 4. After that, very simple step. See. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Once again, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Understand, children? Then, like this, you have to kick your leg 2 times. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So there you have to use your hand. See, right, left, leg front, both the hands back. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Once again, I am showing you 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, then 7 and 8. After that, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very easy one. Once again, we go 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Then 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, then 1, 2, 3, and 4. Understand everybody? Then again also you doing touching your feet, you have to move from 3, go 1 and 2, then 3 and 4. Only walking, no movements are there, no so much movements are there. Only you have to walk 3, go 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Then we go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Understand? Then after that, 1, 2, 3, 4. Once again, see 1, 2, 3, 4. Only easy walkings are there. Once again, see go 1 and 2, then 3 and 4. Then 1 and 2, then 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we'll move on. Once again, from leg you are doing this style, you are walking like this. Then move your weight like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. Move your hand 1, 2. Go to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. And go to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. After that, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Next, 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Next, right after that, we go 1 and 2, then 3 and 4. Okay. 1 second, sir, from beginning.
We'll start, sir.
From the beginning.
मल दे सूरज के मुंह पे मलाई, बुड़बक बादल पे कर दे चढ़ाई। अरे मल दे सूरज के मुंह पे मलाई, बुड़बक बादल पे कर दे चढ़ाई। खोले किताबें करे हम पढ़ाई, पानीपत में हुई थी लड़ाई। सुनो सुनो दिल के सुनो।
Yes, sir, again.
मल दे सूरज के मुंह पे मलाई, बुड़बक बादल पे कर दे चढ़ाई। अरे मल दे सूरज के मुंह पे मलाई, बुड़बक बादल पे कर दे चढ़ाई। खोले किताबें करे हम पढ़ाई, पानीपत में हुई थी लड़ाई। सुनो सुनो
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, will you switch off your background YouTube light? Back side up. Yes, I guess.
Okay. Okay, next step, children. We are going to the next step. See, go very easy one. See, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Once again, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then 5, 6, 7, 8. Once again, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right after that, you show to the right. Like this. 1 from the down. We go 1, 2, 3, 4. Once again, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 5, like this. 5, like this. Once again. This one is 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 5, 6, 7, 8. Like you are doing boxing. This is like, okay, very easy step. Once again. Also try by yourself. Try. Once again, we are moving on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So listen to music 2 times.
मल दे सूरज के मुंह पे मलाई, बुड़बक बादल पे कर दे चढ़ाई। अरे मल दे सूरज के मुंह पे मलाई, बुड़बक बादल पे कर दे चढ़ाई। खोले किताबें करे हम पढ़ाई, पानीपत में हुई थी लड़ाई। सुनो सुनो दिल के सुनो, डरो नहीं शेर बनो, डरोगे तो ठीक।
Once again, sir. All of you do the music. Follow the music. Follow the lyrics and do it that. Also the expressions, facial expressions with that. Ready, sir?
मल दे सूरज के मुंह पे मलाई, बुड़बक बादल पे कर दे चढ़ाई। अरे मल दे में हुई थी लड़ाई।
सुनो सुनो दिल की सुनो, डरो नहीं शेर बनो, डरोगे तो ठेंगा मिलेगा।
पढ़ोगे लिखोगे बनोगे नवाब, जो तुम खेलोगे कूदोगे तो होगे खराब। पढ़ोगे
The next step I'm showing you, you have to walk like this. 1, 2, then 3, 4. Only walk towards the right corner. 1, 2, then 3, 4, like this. You are showing your heart. Understand? Yes, ready. You have to walk towards your right. Then show your heart. Show your heart like this. Yes. Right. Good. Then also walk towards the left. Then like tiger, you walking like tiger, like lion or tiger, like this. 1, 2. Open your hands, then down. Okay. Once again. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 5, 6, 7, 8. Then walk towards right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 1, 2. Then 3, 4. Next, like put your hand here to the ear. 1, 2. Then 3, 4. 3, 4. Show your heart. 3, 4. Then 1, 2. Walk only. 1, 2. Then lion and bending forward. Once again. 1, 2. Then right after that, like this. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Straight your hands. Both. Keep your hands straight. Straight to the front. Keep it straight. Yes. Once again, I am showing you. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Done. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Then right after that, 1, 2, 3, 4. Once again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Like attack like tiger. 1, 2. Understand? Then slowly you are doing this one, going back. Then both the hands front. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this one. 3 go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, sir. Start music.
मल दे सूरज के मुंह पे मलाई, बुड़बक बादल पे कर दे चढ़ाई। अरे मल दे सूरज के मुंह पे मलाई, बुड़बक बादल पे कर दे चढ़ाई। खोले किताबें करे हम पढ़ाई, पानीपत में हुई थी लड़ाई।
सुनो सुनो दिल की सुनो, डरो नहीं शेर बनो, डरोगे तो ठेंगा मिलेगा।
पढ़ोगे लिखोगे बनोगे नवाब, जो तुम खेलोगे कूदोगे तो हो।
Ready? From here, you are going like to the right. 1. पढ़ोगे is that you write like this. So you first write पढ़ोगे. This side also लिखोगे. Then sit up. Then stand. Okay. Understand? Once again. पढ़ोगे Then comes likhoge. Straight your hands. Then feet. Banoge nawab. Then right after that, hold like this, like you are doing batting. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 times only. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, very good. Very good. So many are doing well. Ready? Once again. 5, 6, 7. Go. 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. Then 5, 6, 7, 8. To the side. Jump to the side. We go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Once again. Then right after that, second like this. You are writing. 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to write. 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 5, 6, 7, 8. So outside like this. 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Then like exercise. We go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. Then 5, 6, 7, 8. Only this one. 5, 6, 7, 8. Niranjan sir, music.
मल दे सूरज के मुंह पे मलाई, बुड़बक बादल पे कर दे चढ़ाई। अरे मल दे सूरज के मुंह पे मलाई, बुड़बक बादल पे कर दे चढ़ाई। खोले किताबें करे हम पढ़ाई, पानीपत में हुई थी लड़ाई।
सुनो सुनो दिल की सुनो, डरो नहीं शेर बनो, डरोगे तो ठेंगा मिलेगा।
पढ़ोगे लिखोगे बनोगे नवाब, जो तुम खेलोगे कूदोगे तो होगे खराब। पढ़ोगे लिखोगे तो होगे खराब, जो तुम खेलोगे कूदोगे बनोगे नवाब।
Did you remember? Once again, we are going. Niranjan sir, once again.
मल दे सूरज के मुंह पे मलाई, बुड़बक बादल पे कर दे चढ़ाई। अरे मल दे सूरज के मुंह पे मलाई, बुड़बक बादल पे कर दे चढ़ाई। खोले किताबें करे हम पढ़ाई, पानीपत में हुई थी लड़ाई।
सुनो सुनो दिल की सुनो, डरो नहीं शेर बनो, डरोगे तो ठेंगा मिलेगा।
पढ़ोगे लिखोगे बनोगे नवाब, जो तुम खेलोगे कूदोगे तो होगे खराब। पढ़ोगे लिखोगे तो होगे खराब, जो तुम खेलोगे कूदोगे बनोगे नवाब।
Everybody got the step? Yes. Adhyasa, everyone. But Anush, everybody got the step? Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Like if you got the step, raise your hand. Okay, good. Raise your hand if you got all the steps. Ready? Do once again. Ready? Once again, I am showing you clearly, slowly. See from the book. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do this one. 3, 4. Understand? Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Then go to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then kick. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Very good, boy. See. Now you listen your heartbeat like this. Okay, next to that, like walk like tiger, walk like tiger. 1, 2, like attack like tiger also the movement. Then get after like this. Then tell no. 3 go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, right after that, very different. पढ़ोगे is like this. लिखोगे is like this. बनोगे is like this. Then start above. Then like that thing. 1, 2, 3, 4. खिलोगे, दोगे, तो होगे खराब. होगे खराब. Okay. Understand? Then second one. पढ़ोगे, लिखोगे. पढ़ोगे, लिखोगे तो होगे खराब. Then do the exercise like this. खेलोगे, कूदोगे, तो बनोगे नवाब. Good. Good. So many are doing well. All of you try hard. Don't be lazy. Stand up. Everyone should go. Be smart and do all of the work. Niranjan sir, play the music. 2 times more.
मल दे सूरज के मुंह पे मलाई, बुड़बक बादल पे कर दे चढ़ाई. अरे मल दे सूरज के मुंह पे मलाई, बुड़बक बादल पे कर दे चढ़ाई. खोले किताबें करे हम पढ़ाई, पानीपत में हुई थी लड़ाई.
सुनो सुनो दिल की सुनो, डरो नहीं शेर बनो, डरोगे तो ठेंगा मिलेगा.
पढ़ोगे, लिखोगे, बनोगे नवाब. जब तुम खेलोगे, कूदोगे तो होगे खराब. पढ़ोगे, लिखोगे तो होगे खराब. जब तुम खेलोगे, कूदोगे, बनोगे नवाब.
Once again, see. All of you, see to me once clearly. Whatever I am doing, you do. See. Once you see clearly, then we'll go next step. Okay. Niranjan sir, once again, all of you see it carefully.
मल दे सूरज के मुंह पे मलाई, बुड़बक बादल पे कर दे चढ़ाई. अरे मल दे सूरज के मुंह पे मलाई, बुड़बक बादल पे कर दे चढ़ाई. खोले किताबें करे हम पढ़ाई, पानीपत में हुई थी लड़ाई.
सुनो सुनो दिल की सुनो, डरो नहीं शेर बनो, डरोगे तो ठेंगा मिलेगा.
पढ़ोगे, लिखोगे, बनोगे नवाब. जब तुम खेलोगे, कूदोगे तो होगे खराब. पढ़ोगे, लिखोगे तो होगे खराब. जब तुम खेलोगे, कूदोगे, बनोगे नवाब.
Ready, everybody? Next step, we are moving on to the next step. Here, once again, we will go from little to 4. This is 1. This is 2. There is sit. 3. Sit. Everyone, sit. Sit on 3. Then stand 4. Stand 4. Okay, then like cricket 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, good. Right after that, like this, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Show your hand. Then exercise 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 5, 6, 7, 8. Next, after that, we have to make music here. So do the steps with energy. You have to use your lots of energy. First, we go 1, 2, 3, 4. But very easy step. Only need to jump. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 5, 6, 7, 8. Only cross your leg and come back. Once again, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 5, 6, 7, 8. Once again, good. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 5, 6, 7, 8. Two times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 5, 6, 7, 8. After that, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 5, 6, 7, 8. So side you are moving. 5, 6, 7, 8. You can do this one also. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Then right after that, move on. 1, 2 to the side. Bend towards one side. Yes. Another side. But do the leg movement like this. Do the leg movement also. 1, 2. Then 3, 4. Again 1, 2. 3, 4. After that, again keep this. Hold your hand again. 1, 2, 3, turn. 1, 2, 3, turn. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Move your body towards right. Then sit there. Then move towards left and stand there. Very easy. Right, sit, transfer, turn. This is the movement. Understand? Everybody understand? Okay, once again, the music we are going. 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 5, 6, 7, 8. Keep your hands like this. Both the hands. Open your hands. Both the hands. Open your both the hands. Both the hands. Ready? 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Niranjan sir, music.
मलदे सूरज के मुंह पे मलाई, बुड़बक बादल पे कर दे चढ़ाई। अरे मलदे सूरज के मुंह पे मलाई, बुड़बक बादल पे कर दे चढ़ाई। खोले किताबें करे हम पढ़ाई, पानीपत में हुई थी लड़ाई।
सुनो सुनो दिल की सुनो, डरो नहीं शेर बनो, डरोगे तो ठेंगा मिलेगा।
पढ़ोगे लिखोगे बनोगे नवाब, जब तुम खेलोगे कूदोगे तो होगे खराब। पढ़ोगे लिखोगे तो होगे खराब, जब तुम खेलोगे कूदोगे बनोगे नवाब। बदमाशियों से जरा बाज आओ, थोड़ा किताबों से भी दिल लगाओ।
Everyone remember? If you remember, raise your hand. Everybody remember? The last part is little fast. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Most of the time, you have to enjoy the step. Do with energy. Also, at the same time, you enjoy it. Smile and do the dance. Okay. Good. 1 second, children. Okay. Niranjan sir, once again. I'll go to next.
मल दे सूरज के मुंह पे मलाई, बुड़बक बादल पे कर दे चढ़ाई। अरे मल दे सूरज के मुंह पे मलाई, बुड़बक बादल पे कर दे चढ़ाई। खोले किताबें करे हम पढ़ाई, पानीपत में हुई थी लड़ाई।
सुनो सुनो दिल की सुनो, डरो नहीं शेर बनो, डरोगे तो ठेंगा मिलेगा।
पढ़ोगे लिखोगे बनोगे नवाब, जो तुम खेलोगे कूदोगे तो होगे खराब। पढ़ोगे लिखोगे तो होगे खराब, जो तुम खेलोगे कूदोगे बनोगे नवाब। बदमाशियों से जरा बाज आओ।
So after this, next step, we are having like you are going like this. Badmashiyon. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, like someone push you like this. Badmashiyon. Like tell no. Then sit. Open your hands and sit and do like this. Read your book. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Okay, once again. See, go. Badmashiyon से जरा बताओ. Then sit थोड़ा किताबों से दिल लगाओ. Like this. 1 and 2. You are reading your book like 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Once again, see, go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Then sit. Okay, read. Open the pages like this. After this, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Once again, I will show you the steps. Only you are like this, falling down, telling no, I will not go. Then read the book. Then turn the pages. And with that, you have to dance. See, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, next step. 3, go. 1, like you have to dance by yourself. You have to dance by yourself. 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like by yourself. By yourself dance. Then stop also. Okay, then sit half and right from here to there. From here to there. After that, hold your neck. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 5, 6, 7, 8. Once again, I will show you the step. You are going to the left first, telling no, then sit. Turn the pages of book and dance. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. After that, you have to dance by yourself. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Stop. Then after that, sit half also. Then right there. Right. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 5, 6, 7, 8. See, only hand movement is from where? Like 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Because as we are not having enough time, you can't race in between. Okay. Ready? Continue, children. 5, 5, 6, 7. Go. You are coming like this. Understand? Then see. Turn the pages. After that, dance. 1, 2, 3. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. After that, dance by yourself. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this. Then stop. No. Okay. Then speed half. 1, 2, right. Right. Like this. Okay. Next. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold your neck like you are doing promise. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. After that, 1, 2. Like this. 1, 2. Then from here, go down, go up. Once again, go down, go up. From here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, Niranjan sir, music.
मल दे सूरज के मुंह पे मलाई, बुड़बक बादल पे कर दे चढ़ाई। अरे मल दे सूरज के मुंह पे मलाई, बुड़बक बादल पे कर दे चढ़ाई। खोले किताबें करे हम पढ़ाई, पानीपत में हुई थी लड़ाई।
सुनो सुनो दिल की सुनो, डरो नहीं शेर बनो, डरोगे तो ठेंगा मिलेगा।
पढ़ोगे लिखोगे बनोगे नवाब, जब तुम खेलोगे कूदोगे तो होगे खराब। पढ़ोगे लिखोगे तो होगे खराब, जब तुम खेलोगे कूदोगे बनोगे नवाब। बदमाशियों से जरा बाज आओ, थोड़ा किताबों से भी दिल लगाओ। अरे बदमाशियों से जरा बाज आओ, थोड़ा किताबों से भी दिल लगाओ। विद्या कसम हम पढ़ेंगे दबा के, मगर तुम भी देखो किताबों से आगे। बढ़ो जरा आगे बढ़ो, लिखा नहीं जो वो पढ़ो, डरोगे तो ठेंगा मिलेगा। पढ़ोगे लिखोगे बनोगे।
Again from here, I will go a little before. 1 and 2. Then 6. Turn the pages. Then 1 and 2. Hey, 3 and 4. Right after that, just dance like this, like this, like this. Then stop. Read. 1, 2, right, 3, 4. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 5, 6, 7, 8. Right after that, 1 and 2. Then go down, go up. So next to that, yes, I will send a video. Don't worry. Ready? Next to that, 1, 2, 3, 4 to the right, to the left also. Okay. To the right, you do the hand like this. Okay. To the left, you have to speak. Let's find out. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can also say 3, 4. Once again, go to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then again, same. 5, 6, 7, go. Then padhoge, likhoge. Same one coming again. Understand? Good. It is very easy. Some of them done. Children are telling that So do it, everybody remember and do it. Once again, Niranjan sir, with the music.
मल दे सूरज के मुंह पे मलाई, बुड़बक बादल पे कर दे चढ़ाई। अरे मल दे सूरज के मुंह पे मलाई, बुड़बक बादल पे कर दे चढ़ाई। खोले किताबें करे हम पढ़ाई, पानीपत में हुई थी लड़ाई।
सुनो सुनो दिल की सुनो, डरो नहीं शेर बनो, डरोगे तो ठेंगा मिलेगा।
पढ़ोगे लिखोगे बनोगे नवाब, जब तुम खेलोगे कूदोगे तो होगे खराब। पढ़ोगे लिखोगे तो होगे खराब, जब तुम खेलोगे कूदोगे बनोगे नवाब। बदमाशियों से जरा बाज आओ, थोड़ा किताबों से भी दिल लगाओ। अरे बदमाशियों से जरा बाज आओ, थोड़ा किताबों से भी दिल लगाओ। विद्या कसम हम पढ़ेंगे दबा के, मगर तुम भी देखो किताबों से आगे।
बढ़ो जरा आगे बढ़ो, लिखा नहीं जो वो पढ़ो, डरोगे तो ठेंगा मिलेगा।
पढ़ोगे लिखोगे बनोगे नवाब, जब तुम खेलोगे कूदोगे तो होगे खराब। पढ़ोगे लिखोगे तो होगे खराब, जब तुम खेलोगे कूदोगे बनोगे नवाब।
Did you get the steps, children? Are you clear? Everyone clear about the steps? Raise your hands if you are clear. Raise your hands. Yes, good. Now we will dance only 3 times. Yes, very good. Very good. Children, smile. Smile, laugh and dance. This is for your entertainment. Also, it keeps you happy. So what also develop your immune system. If you stay happy, it is better. Yes. Very good, Nishan. Very good. So like this, you have to enjoy the dance. You have to dance by yourself. And listen the music, do the steps, start. Okay? So once again we are going on. Children, go on. 2-3 times we will go on. 2 times, 3 times more. Okay? Good, very good, very good. Niranjan sir, music.
मल दे सूरज के मुंह पे मलाई, बुड़बक बादल पे कर दे चढ़ाई। अरे मल दे सूरज के मुंह पे मलाई, बुड़बक बादल पे कर दे चढ़ाई। खोले किताबें करे हम पढ़ाई, पानीपत में हुई थी लड़ाई।
सुनो सुनो दिल की सुनो, डरो नहीं शेर बनो, डरोगे तो ठेंगा मिलेगा।
पढ़ोगे लिखोगे बनोगे नवाब, जब तुम खेलोगे कूदोगे तो होगे खराब। पढ़ोगे लिखोगे तो होगे खराब, जब तुम खेलोगे कूदोगे बनोगे नवाब। बदमाशियों से जरा बाज आओ, थोड़ा किताबों से भी दिल लगाओ। अरे बदमाशियों से जरा बाज आओ, थोड़ा किताबों से भी दिल लगाओ। विद्या कसम हम पढ़ेंगे दबा के, मगर तुम भी देखो किताबों से आगे बढ़ो, जरा आगे बढ़ो, लिखा नहीं जो वो पढ़ो, डरोगे तो ठेंगा मिलेगा। पढ़ोगे लिखोगे बनोगे नवाब, जो तुम खेलोगे कूदोगे तो होगे खराब। पढ़ोगे लिखोगे तो होगे खराब, जो तुम खेलोगे कूदोगे बनोगे नवाब। ऐसे हवा में जो उड़ता फिरेगा, मंडे को टीचर।
Sir, last time the music was cutting, so we can play again the last time.
मल दे सूरज के मुंह पे मलाई, बुड़बक बादल पे कर दे चढ़ाई। अरे मल दे सूरज के मुंह पे मलाई, बुड़बक बादल पे कर दे चढ़ाई। खोले किताबें करे हम पढ़ाई, पानीपत में हुई थी लड़ाई।
सुनो सुनो दिल की सुनो, डरो नहीं शेर बनो, डरोगे तो ठेंगा मिलेगा।
पढ़ोगे लिखोगे बनोगे नवाब, जो तुम खेलोगे कूदोगे तो होगे खराब। पढ़ोगे लिखोगे तो होगे खराब, जो तुम खेलोगे कूदोगे बनोगे नवाब। बदमाशियों से जरा बाज आओ, थोड़ा किताबों से भी दिल लगाओ। अरे बदमाशियों से जरा बाज आओ, थोड़ा किताबों से भी दिल लगाओ। विद्या कसम हम पढ़ेंगे दबा के, मगर तुम भी देखो किताबों से आगे बढ़ो, जरा आगे बढ़ो, लिखा नहीं जो वो पढ़ो, डरोगे तो ठेंगा मिलेगा। पढ़ोगे लिखोगे बनोगे नवाब, जो तुम खेलोगे कूदोगे तो होगे खराब। पढ़ोगे लिखोगे तो होगे खराब, जो तुम खेलोगे कूदोगे बनोगे नवाब। ऐसे हवा में जो उड़।
Arun sir,
Yes, sir.
yes sir, it's already time sir. The next session will start. Okay sir.
This much for today. Children, practice by yourself. I will send the video also later, but you can play the song and dance with that. Always do some like exercises every day. Do some exercises. All should not be only for health. You should be happy also. Stay happy, stay healthy. With this, thank you for joining the class. See you in the school. Bye.